A sub-$6,000 sport bike with Brembo brakes? Yeah, this just got interesting. What if I told you there's a brand new middleweight sport bike launching with Brembo brakes, fully adjustable Marzocchi suspension, and a starting price under $6,000? Sounds almost impossible in today's market, right? Well, that's exactly what Benelli just dropped with the all-new 2026 Tornado 550, and it's shaking up the mid-sized sport bike category in a big way. For the longest time, middleweight sport bike basically meant one thing: a screaming 600cc inline 4. But that formula has been changing fast, with manufacturers experimenting with all sorts of engine configurations and displacements. The Tornado 550 is the newest entry into this increasingly diverse space, and it comes from Zhejiang-owned Benelli, an Italian-branded, Chinese-manufactured machine that's clearly aiming to offer serious value without cutting corners on hardware. Let's talk engine first, because this is where things get genuinely interesting. The Tornado runs a liquid-cooled 554cc DOHC parallel twin, featuring a slightly under-square bore and stroke setup along with a 270-degree crankshaft, a configuration that typically delivers a nice, characterful engine note similar to what you'd get from a V-twin. Benelli claims a peak output of 56 horsepower at 8,150 RPM, paired with just under 40 lb-ft of torque at 5,500 RPM. Not earth-shattering numbers, but very respectable for this class, and more than enough to have genuine fun on a twisty road. Now here's where the Tornado really surprises you: the suspension and braking components. Up front, you're getting a fully adjustable 41mm Marzocchi inverted fork, paired with a monoshock at the rear offering adjustable preload and rebound damping. That's genuinely premium hardware for a bike at this price point. And braking duties are handled by Brembo, featuring dual radial mount 4-piston calipers gripping 320mm discs up front, plus a 2-piston caliper and 260mm disc out back. Standard ABS rounds out the safety package nicely. On the electronics side, the Tornado keeps things simple but practical with 2 selectable ride modes, Normal and Sport, alongside a traction control system to help keep things in check. All your information gets displayed on a crisp 5-inch TFT screen that also comes equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so staying connected on the move won't be an issue. Other nice touches include full LED lighting throughout, grippy, tubeless Pirelli Angel GT tires, and a fairly accessible 31.1-inch seat height, making it approachable for a wide range of riders. Fully fueled, the Tornado tips the scales at a claimed 437 pounds, not the lightest bike in its class, but far from heavy either. And now, the number that's probably going to seal the deal for a lot of riders: pricing. The 2026 Benelli Tornado 550 officially starts at $6,199, but Benelli is currently offering an introductory price of just $5,999 for a limited time. That's an incredibly aggressive price point considering the level of componentry you're getting here. So, is the Tornado 550 the new value king of the middleweight sport bike world? With Brembo brakes, adjustable suspension, modern electronics, and a genuinely characterful parallel twin engine, all wrapped up in a package under $6,000. Benelli might have just built one of the smartest sport bike purchases available right now.